Hey Chingus, this is Brian here from Simply Bree, and I'm going to watch Taeyeon's music video for her song Rain. Her solo is actually going really well, and I really enjoyed her other song. I believe it's I featuring Verbal Jint. That was really good, so like I'm really looking forward to hearing this song and see what it's all about. So let's do this. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh. Her house is messy, but it somehow looks good. It's kind of hard to explain. Okay. I really like her short hair. Like, I love the platinum hair. Like, I never had it, but like, I love that color. Okay. Nice sweater, too. She looks like she's bored. She's like, okay. Okay. What's in there, Tia? Oh, I like it. Sing it, girl. Bring all that soul up in there. I really do like her. I kind of like her sweater, too. Okay, so she must be singing about heartbreak. Kind of looks like it, but then again, she seems like she's fascinated with bowls. I don't know. Oh, caught up in the rain. Okay. Alright. I love her outfit. I was like, I love looking at like idol styles. I'm just like, it's so, they all look so good. Hey! Yes, Taeyeon! I was like, I am feeling this one, girl! Okay. Alright, so don't know what the song's about, but she's just laying there, having deep thoughts to herself. She's caught up in the rain, so I'm assuming it's heartbreak. Okay. Oh, the little bubbles! It's like raining bubbles. That was so cool if it actually rains like that. Oh! Okay, so now everything becoming water. Everything's rain now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Will she turn into water? Everything else is turning into water. I'm just curious. Oh, now she's like by a pool or something. I don't know. Ooh. Okay. I love the bubbles though. It's cute. Oh, girl, you better. Oh. Oh, okay. Did she put her diary in there now? Color? I'm confused. I just enjoy the song, which I am, so. That's my girl. Can you imagine you waking up and like, well, that's like basically her house is flooding, but she's kind of like chill with it. Like she's kind of like, okay, my house is flooding. I'm just gonna sit on my couch. Alright guys, well, that was a good song. It was like soulful and all. I was like, you sing it, girl. Sing it, Taeyeon. You sing it. Alright, well, I love the color scheme of the video. It was like pretty. It kind of looked like her house kind of looked like Europeans, like, I don't know. But yeah, I really did like it. I love her style. It was amazing. And the music, I'm telling you, it's like that soul R&B. It gets me, guys. It gets me. Like, it's so good. Alright. Well, I'm definitely jamming to that. So, yeah, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, subscribe. Let's be Chingus. Just subscribe. Please and thank you, because, you know, if you enjoyed the video, just watch more, you know? So, alright, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.